Hey friends, this is Atif of your Val and welcome to the new update on UMA token. In today's video, I would like to show you this recent falling wedge pattern that is formed on a 4-hour time frame chart. And right now you can see that while moving inside this wedge, UMA is also testing this support of $4.20 as well. You can see that for the past several hours or days, it is breaking as a nice support. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then this $4.20 has been previously breaking as a resistance here and almost as a support here as well. Therefore, this is a quite long-term support. And if we watch on this 7 days time frame chart, then we have already broken out a quite long-term multi-year space resistance that was coming all the way from here from the month of Feb 2021. And by the way, we found the support of the wedge here in the month of October 2020. And since then, it was not able to break it out. And here in the month of November 2023, we have broken out this big falling wedge pattern, but got rejected by this long-term resistance line that starts from 7.8 cents and goes to $9, $7.08 and goes to $9. And you can see that previously it has been breaking as a support zone here, support zone here, support zone here, and resistance on here. And therefore, again, the price line is rejected by this resistance. And in today's video, we will again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you my most recent trade signal that I shared almost 6 or 7 days ago with my members. And this move produced almost 12% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for UMA that I shared almost a week ago on 27th of January 2023 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that UMA formed with Bitcoin pair on a 2-hour time frame chart. And this is a complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line nicely moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone here. And this was almost 12% pump only on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of UMA. And first of all, let me to show you this 4-hour time frame chart. And here you can see that after this rally, recently the price line has formed this falling wedge pattern. And while moving inside this wedge, you can see it has reached the support, a quite long-term support of $4.20. And this support, if we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, has been previously breaking as a resistance here, and also on this candlestick, it has been breaking as a resistance. And here, by the way, the price line moved very close to the support, but moved up. And let me take you back to the 4-hour time frame chart. And right now, you can see that we're again testing this support and moving very close to the support, by the way. In case of breaking it down, it can again drop down at the support of this wedge. And in that situation, it is also possible that the price line, while moving inside this falling wedge pattern, also has this long-term support of $3.15 as well. And now if we take a look at the targets, then in case of breaking down the wedge, the target to the downside can be here. That will be approximately at $2.92. And in case of breaking out this wedge that I'm expecting that soon it can break out, the target to the upside can be here at the top of the wedge approximately at $6.40. And in my point of view, after breaking out this wedge, it can also try to break out this long-term resistance zone on the 7 days time frame chart as well. And this resistance zone starts from $7.08 and goes to $9. And now if we take a look at the final target for this huge falling wedge pattern breakout, that is here at the top of the wedge. That is between $45 to $50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.